Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about this DIY because it turned out really cute. This one is a snowman. You can use this to cover your patio light, or you can just make it and insert a light inside and it'll just be a wall decor. So I'm going to show you how I made this using all Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. You only need a few items for this project. You need a bowl and a snow blanket, and those you can find them at Dollar Tree. I would just like to say that if you're going to use it to cover your patio light, just be sure the bowl is big enough. But once we have that done, I'm going to cut down the snow blanket. Obviously, I'm not going to use the whole thing, so I'm just going to cut a little square just big enough to cover my bowl, and then I'm just going to trim it down and hot glue it to the bowl. So you'll see here that I'm applying hot glue to the edge or the rim of the bowl, and then I'm just laying the snow blanket down, and any extras that I have, I'll just trim it down after. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload videos like these. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming up. Now that I have it all glued down, I'm going to take these buttons, which I already went ahead and spray painted them black. I have two big buttons and the rest are like smaller size. You can get those at Dollar Tree. So here I'm just building the entire face, and then I'm going to go in with the hot glue and glue it all down. Now for the nose, you could use felt and just cut it, or you can stuff it to make it like a 3D. But I remembered that I had carrots from Easter time, so I took one. So if you do have carrots, go ahead and use it. And you can either lay it down like that, but or have it standing up, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to have it standing up. So I'm going in with my hot glue again. I'm going to glue that in place. Now this snowman needs a hat, of course, so we're going to go in with this wired basket. This is the small one, not the really tall like trash can type. So I'm going to bend it, and it's so easy to bend it. And I'm going to go in with wire cutters, and I'm just going to cut down the middle. And now I'm just going in with plaid ribbon, and I'm going to glue that across, and I'm going to go ahead and glue a flower on there, but you can use a bow if you'd like. So this part, definitely get creative and add whatever you have on hand. And once we're done, we're going to take our hat and we're going to glue it onto the snowman. So I'm just going to bring my snowman back here, and I'm going to glue it along the rim of the basket. And here he is. It turned out super cute, you guys. This doesn't have to be a cover for your light. You could insert light in there yourself and make this like a wall decor. So yeah, let me know what you think. I definitely love the way it turned out, but you know, I'd love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.